Hey, what's up everybody, how's it going? So today we are going to solve one of the coolest problem, climbing stairs. Yeah, so we are going to solve this question is like probably solved using dynamic programming DB, and we will use a tabulation in that to solve this question. I will tell you the brute force solution and the tabulation solution as well, both of them, so like you just get an idea why we are using DP in this one. So basically what the question says, like we have only two ways to reach to our final destination. Either we can climb one or two. Okay, so let's just take an example, this simple two. All right, so for example, this is our stair. Okay, so we have to reach, this is our final destination 2. This is a 1 step and this is 0. All right, so we are over here right now. Just consider we are over here, so we have to reach this final destination. We have only two ways. Either we just simply jump over there by using 2, or either we just go 1 and 1 like this. All right, so there are only just two ways to. So we can solve this one using a simple brute force. I will just show it to you right now. How you gonna solve this one is all right, so how we gonna solve this is like we just simply make one base condition. If just look at this base condition first. Okay, I will forget to tell you, look at the base condition. For example, all right, this 2 is 0. For example, if we are over here, if we go over there, then this is -1. So there is no way to go over here -1. We can't go -1. You getting my point? So to just solve that, we will use our base condition. All right, for that what I will do is I will just simply say if n is 0, then we will simply return it. All right guys, now I will say int total ways is 0. Okay, right now to find this final destination, our total way is 0. Okay, I will say if we take one step, then what will happen is we will add to our total way plus equals to climb stairs n -1. So like we take one step, we just have to take one more step to reach over there. All right, similarly we will do it for second step. Like if we just simply jump 2 over there. All right, so this will be like this, and finally we will return our total. All right guys, so let me just give a simple case. For example, if I want to go for example 2, I will just run it. And okay, wait, so my mistake, sorry, my mistake. I was there, man. Return total ways. I don't know what to say now. I don't know, man. I return was saying missing return value. Return one. My apology. All right, just ignore that compilation error. Okay, so we are just going very good for this simple 2, and like just check for 4 as well. All right, everything is going fine for to reach. So like if you want to move to the stair 4, we have 5 ways. All right, now what if I want to go for like 44? Okay, so time limit exceed as per expected. The time limit is exceed right now, so I will just give you one better example to solve this problem. So don't use this one, I will give you one better way to solve. So guys, I will just tell you one of the best way, which is tabulation. I will just solve this question using tabulation, or even you can use it solely using memorization as well. So if you want to know about more memorization tabulation, then you can just simply Google it or YouTube it. You will get a lots of videos which are explained in more better way. All right, I will just give you a recap why we are using this one, because this is the most efficient, best way to use. Just take an example. For example, if we are at 0 and we have to reach 4. Okay guys, so how we're gonna do is, so we can go we can just take only 1 or either 2. Okay, so as per the question, for example, if we take 1, then we are at 3. So like just simply say we are at n-1. Over here we are at n-2. From over here to our destination, there are number of ways. There are n-1 and n-2 ways. So let's just count. So we are at 3. Okay, so how many ways can be over there? There can be 1 plus 1 plus 1. Either we take 1 1 1 1, all right, or either we can take it like 2 and then 1, or either we can take like 1 and 2. You get my point? Yeah. So from over here n minus 2 to our 4, there are only two ways. Either we can go 1 plus 1 or just simply take 2. Okay, so totally 3 plus 2 is there are 5 ways. So if you look, if I just simply say if I just run for 4, then okay, I mean, like, you get my point. So there are 5 ways. I will just show you in the tabulation format. Alright, so how we're gonna perform this one is basically I will just simply create one DP, first DP array, and I will make its size as n plus 1. Okay, and I will just run a loop from I0 to last. Alright guys, so now, alright, so I will just say I will make one base condition. If we are at 0, then simply what we have to do, we have to say like from 0 to 0 there is only one way. Alright, so I will just simply say 1. Okay, and I will continue. I will not break it. I will continue, or I will even not return it. Alright, now I will just make int total ways equals to 0. Okay, so now what I will gonna do is I will make one if condition. If I minus 1 greater than equals to 0. Now you're saying like why I'm not using n, because I just initialize with I, so I'm going from I to the last. Right, so how I will do, what I will do over here is I will make total ways plus equals to dp of I minus 1. Similarly, for if we take 2, 0, minus 2, my bad. Okay guys, and in the end I will put whatever I receive from my total ways, I will put in the dp, and I will return my dp. And if I hit run, I hope it will now run for the 44. Just wait. So one spelling mistake, simple compilation error, but this thing sucks. So wait, just wait. I think there is something wrong over here. No. Okay, if I equals to 0, then dp equals to 1, continue. Alright, so we just forgot to put equals over here. Alright, we are good to go now. Yeah, so if I put my test base case 44 and hit submit, it is good. It is very good way. So now you understand. All right, so let me just give you a dry run. If you want to know the dry run, I'm just giving you, or otherwise just you can end this video. It's all up to you. So basically what we are doing in dry run is, so like, just take an example, like we are at 4. Okay, so we have only 2 ways. I'm doing it like using a kind of memoization. All right, so I'm just explaining using memoization. So they are same tabulation memoization. All right, so if I use 1, then I will go 3, and if I use 2, then I will go 2. From 3 there are 2 ways. If I take 2, then I will reach 1. If I take 2 steps, if I take 1 step, then I will reach 2. From 1 to 0 there is only one way. Okay, we are at 0. From 2 to 0 there are 2 ways. So they are if we take 2 steps, then I will simply return to 0. If I take 1 step, then I will return to 1, and from 1 to 0 there is only one way. Okay, similarly for this one as well, 2 to 0 there are only 2 ways, 2 and 1. From 1 to 0 there is only one way. Okay, so simple 0. Okay, from 2 we are just at 0. Okay, so over here, so if we calculate how many steps we have done, is very simple in this one. So we just say like 0 to 1 is one way, and 1 to 2 is one way. Okay, so this is 1 come over here from over here. Alright guys, so now from over here we will say 2 to 0 is one way. So if we just simply take 2 steps, then there is one way to reach 0. If we simply take 1 step, then there is one way to. So 1 plus 1 give us the final result of this is 2. So we get 2. So there is 2 ways to go from 2 to 0. Now we are at 3. So at 3 there is only one way to get at 0. We just simply take 2 and then just using 1 we get over there. So there is only one way. Okay, so this is come as 1. So 1. So we get 1 plus 2 way equals to 3 way. From 3 to 0 there are 3 ways. From 3 to 0 there are 3 ways. Okay, and now if you look at over here from 2, so from 2 there are it's just same like this one. So this is one way and this is one way. So all together these are 2 way. So if you add these things together, 3 plus 2, so 4 to 0 is there are 5 ways, so which is 3 plus 2. You guys understand? So this is how we use it. So that's all for this video. I hope you better understand. If you still have any doubt, then do just let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Bye bye.